this video represented by Educationtechera, and we are going to talk inside this video about the objective here. After studying this lesson, the student will be able to do the following: explain the meaning of the communication and why human beings communicate, discuss the non-verbal and verbal communications, list different types of the communication, explain the intrapersonal communication definition, expound the communication and its importance, differentiate the group communication and public communication. That's all in this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe to the channel and share this video. Thank you.